Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the Google Chrome most visited sites landing page. So when you open up Google and it's Chrome and it's set to your home page, you might notice that you have all these icons showing your most visited pages. So you might not want that on there. So if someone else is using your computer, they can see where you've been going. It's kind of like having your history just shown, right out there in the open. So it's pretty easy to disable. All you need to do is install this one extension from the Chrome Web Store. So what you want to do is you want to do a Google search for remove most visited pages from the Chrome Web Store. I'll put a link in the description so you can go right to it. Then all you need to do is click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. Okay, then it's going to pop up their website and then it's going to give you a little pop-up here saying it's been added. So now we might have to restart Chrome. Let's see what happens. So if we click on, okay, so you get this message here too saying that this page was changed by the remove most visited pages extension, meaning that it's taking over and hiding this for you. So if you click change it back, you're going to have your recent sites back there. So we're going to click on keep it. And now you can see that the most visited sites are gone. And if you want to remove that and get that back, all you need to do is click on the three dots here, go to more tools, extensions, and then find this add-on here, so most visited pages, and you could either remove it or you could just disable it from here and then you could turn it back on later if you want. So that's a really simple way to hide those most visited sites that you go to if you use Google for your homepage. All right, pretty simple. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.